Such a complicated life that never stops. Didn't you forget something? Well, you've forgotten your smart key. By using a digital key registered in your smartphone, you can open and lock the door by simply touching the door handle. Also, you can even start the engine by placing your phone on the wireless charging pad. This is the moment when the future we always dreamed of becomes true. And how can I register the digital key? Download the Blue Link app, register the digital key, place your smartphone on the wireless charging pad, and register the digital key on the infotainment system. For us who are living in the new era, advanced convenience awaits. On a drive with someone you care, the head-up display indicates the driving information on the windshield to prevent you from losing sight of the road while driving, and becomes a smart guide for you. If you are driving on a moonlit road and facing other cars, you can activate High Beam Assist. The sensor of the front camera is aware of the surrounding brightness to prevent glare and lights from oncoming cars. What a thoughtful technology that protects everyone's safety.